Hey guys, today we're over here at Busch Gardens. Me and Morgan made a trip over just to do it a couple of the rides that we usually get on when we come over here. He's not a fan of all the big roller coasters yet, so we're only doing a few, but this one here that we're on is called the Scorpion. So I think we got this one posted once before, but we're on the ride and we'll give you guys a video of this one. See you in a while, guys.
You're barely in there.
And that was it, guys. So that ride was called the Scorpion. This is an older metal roller coaster, but it's a really